Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel TechUp. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your Ulta credit card account. So let's get started. First, open any browser that you like. Then in the search bar, type in Ulta Credit Card, then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as d.community.net. In my case, it's the second one. And now tap on the card that you have, whether it's Ultra Beauty Reward MasterCard or it's Ultra Beauty Reward Credit Card. So tap on the card that you have. Now to log in, tap on the sign in button. And a form will open up asking for your username and your password. So go ahead and provide your username in the text field given for username. Then type your password in the text field given for password. You can tap on the show button to see and verify whether you have typed in your correct password or not. You can also check this box that says remember me so that you don't have to provide your login credentials next time you log in. If you have forgotten your username or password, you can reset it by tapping on the text forgot username or password. If you don't have account in Ulta and want to create it, tap on the register now text and you will be able to create your account. Now to log into your account, all you gotta do is tap on the sign in button and you will be successfully logged in if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Give this video a thumbs up if it was, and subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries in the comment section below. I will be happy to help.